review of the Hooga Grounding Mat.
The purpose of grounding is to allow your body to connect to Earth's natural electrical charge. I bought this grounding mat because during the winter months we have snow in Canada, so I can't walk around outside on the ground or even dip my toes in the sand. Using a grounding mat can help mimic the same effect as walking barefoot outdoors without even leaving your home. I like this grounding mat because the front is soft and the back has a non-slip rubber. That was important for me when I was looking for a mat because we have hardwood floors. The mat itself is 24 inches by 16 inches and it comes with a 15-foot long grounding cord. Having that long grounding cord is great because it allows you to have more flexibility in positioning the mat, no matter where your favorite spot may be. To use the grounding mat, all you do is unroll the mat, snap the grounding cord onto the mat, and plug it into the ground socket on your electrical wall outlet. The ground socket is the small one at the very bottom of the outlet. I love that you can easily incorporate this grounding mat into your daily routine. You can use it when you're sitting at your desk, while you're watching television, or you can use it as a yoga mat or stand on it when you're getting ready in the morning. I give this grounding mat a 5-star review. Having this grounding mat provides me the benefits of being grounded without having to be outside knee-deep in snow during the winter months.